And here's an exclusive news from the local motorsports scene. Stoplight TV had a courtesy call with the president and general manager of Honda Philippines Incorporated, Mr. Kazuhiko Ikazoe, at the Honda plant in Tanawan, Batangas, for the Honda ASEAN Cup, which will be held at the Twin Ring Motegi in Japan. Dustin and Darian Esguerra are two Filipino riders who represent the country for this big event.
Malaking tulong to sa karir namin dahil first time namin internationally lumaban. Malaking tulong dahil exposure sa hindi lang sa television, hindi lang sa media, kundi sa laban sa mga kalaban ng mga galing. First time na makakalaban ng mga galing na talagang malupit, lumiko. Makakuha kami ng mga strategy and technique sa kanila.
Well, of course, gaya nga na sabi ni Dustin dito, exposure. At saka para makita rin nila, makalaban nila yung mga magagaling na riders from different countries. And this is a very good exposure for them to experience yung international race. Well, isa to dun sa aming ginagawa na yung to surface the from the grassroots level, yung mga riders na magagaling tulad ni Daryl at ni Dustin na isabak na natin dun sa mga international race at nang talagang pakita natin na meron din tayong kakayahan sa larangan ng karera.
We wish to strongly develop and support growing motorcycle culture by providing better products to Filipinos in the coming year. We are confident that in the near future we can send young Filipino riders like these two guys to participate in international races like the MotoGP. Value dealers and motorcycle customers in Philippines, please enjoy motorcycle life. And please buy Honda motorcycle. Enjoy your motorcycle life. Thank you very much.
Watch out for the exclusive post-race highlights only here on Stoplight TV.